What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I have a tutorial that you guys actually requested in my palettes I regret buying video. The look that I did that day, I actually did it for my birthday photo shoot pictures, and you guys actually liked it, and I'm just not getting around to filming it. So I did use the BH Cotton Candy, their Sweet Shop Cotton Candy palette to create that look, and I just recreated it again today. So I'm gonna show you guys. This eye look is really, like, when I say real easy, like, y'all, I'm having to do extra to get the footage up there because it's gonna be a really short video. Like, it's real easy to do. But before we get started, don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you're not yet already subscribed, and follow your girl on Instagram, okay? Because I'll be over there. By the way, you guys, I'm like nervous about like posting this video. As you guys know, my channel is very clean cut. But this past weekend, I went to Atlanta for my friend's birthday and I did vlog. And I would just say my friends, they're a little more vulgar than me. So, y'all, the footage is funny. Like, I think you guys are gonna laugh, but I'm a little worried because it's just like, I don't know, but I'm gonna look through it, edit it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I do plan on posting it, but just know you're gonna see a little bit of a different side. But yes, let me stop talking. Let's go ahead and get started, okay? Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. I already have my brows fully filled in. I use the Anastasia brow pomade in the shade Ebony, and to prime my eyes I use the P. Louise Base in the shade Rumor 3. And today we're going to be using the BH Cosmetics. This is their Sweet Shop Cotton Candy palette. I think this is out of stock, but hey, you guys requested this, okay? So if you have anything similar and you wanted to recreate this eye look, you can just, you know, whip some of that stuff out. Now, what brush did I need? I'm trying to remember how I did this look. So taking this, this is a MAC brush. This is the 217? Yeah, 217. I'm gonna first dip into this shade right here called Sugar Plum. I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. All right, so that has been put on. Real quick, before we continue, when you are applying matte shadows and you want to put it all over, make sure you use brushes like this that are like fluffy like this. Like I said, this is the MAC brush. And then also, if you want an alternative that's a little bit cheaper, this is a Morphe, the 433. Anything like this is great for packing on matte shadows. Also, when I was applying the eyeshadow, instead of just, you know, grabbing it like this, I was swirling my brush like this, and I was able to grab a whole lot more product and build up way quicker. So try that. Don't use brushes like this. This is perfect for shimmers, but for matte, I find that it's just gonna take you a lot longer and it probably won't even apply on as pigmented. Now, moving on from that, I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is a Morphe E27. Any blending brush you have will do. I'm going to go into this shade and this shade. I'm gonna mix them, and I'm gonna use that to blend out this color. I'm gonna primarily focus on this confection shade. Like, I'm still mixing, but mainly this one to really blow out this crease. Okay, now going back into that brush, the first brush, and using that first color, Sugar Plum, I'm going to go ahead and blend this color up into this other shade, and then it's gonna be a lot of back and forth, like blending, but like the eye look is real simple. Like, this is pretty much it. You just gotta lay this down, and then we're gonna put on our glitter. Okay, so this is literally it. Like, that's it to that. This palette is fire. If you didn't pick these Sweet Shop palettes up when they were available, sorry to you. Okay, so moving on, I'm gonna take these glitters that I got from Slayed by Kiara Glitters on Instagram. And the one that I used for that eye look was this one right here. And it's called Pretty Girl. Looks like this. Can't really open it, but yeah. So that's that glitter. I'm gonna have a link down below in case anybody wants to shop it. Like, they're like, what, $6? $6, $7. Now be careful, this is not regular glitter. These are chunky glitter. So when applying and taking them off, be very cautious so you don't get anything in your eye. The glitter adhesive that I like to use is the Anastasia one. I love this stuff. Like, it's real easy. You just wipe it on and apply your shadow. So take like brush. I'm just gonna, hold on, wait, make sure It's not too much on there because if this gets your eye, it's gonna burn. And I'm just gonna go ahead and go all over the lid with this. And the brush I'm gonna use is the Sephora Pro number 15 brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab that glitter. All right, and this is the eye look. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some lashes on, and literally, like, this eye look is so simple, so easy to do. We literally use what, 3 eyeshadow colors and then some glitter. Super simple. For lashes though, I'm gonna use the Huge, my AliExpress lashes in the style 3D. Oh, hold on, yeah, 3D 530. You need to go big, okay? Doing an eye look like this, you can't do no little baby lashes. Like, you have to go big or go home. But yeah, I'm about to continue watching College Hill. Y'all, they put College Hill and Baldwin Hills on Hulu. I started watching College Hill season 4 last night. I'm already on I'm already on episode 12 and there's only 15 episodes. But luckily these are only 20 minutes long. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera and I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. All right, so the whole face is done. I just need to do my bottom shadow, and I was like, let me come back on camera and show you guys. So pretty much, I'm just gonna take that same shade again, the Sugar Plum, and I'm going to smudge this all down below. The brush I'm using is the Sephora Pro number 15 brush. All right, and then taking this ColourPop, this is the Smoke Show palette, and this is the Morphe M432 brush. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this black shade and put this here. I just have to have, like, if I'm gonna do a color this light on the bottom, I have to have like black down here. But I'm using such a thin brush like this to get it really close. It almost looks like my eyeliner is bleeding over without it being like messy. That's like the look I guess I'm going for. Yep, just like that. Throw on some mascara. I've been using this Huda mascara. I don't know if I like it. Like, have you ever put on mascara and it just literally feels thick? Like, you just put it on, your whole lashes feel way down. I feel like that's what this mascara feels like. Like, when I put it on, my lashes always feel really, like, heavy.
Y'all niggas gotta pay me. I keep it real and real. That's all the critics. That's how they feel. I'm getting money. It's what it is. They want to know how I do what I did. Don't worry about what I do, because I ain't worried about you.
Okay. I'm gonna take my NYX Espresso lip liner and line my lips. All right, and then taking this Huda Beauty lipstick in the shade Staycation. It's a perfect color because it's really cool toned and I feel like it'll suit this eye look really well. And then for gloss, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty. This is her cream gloss bomb in the shade Mauve Wives. Let me see how this looks. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, my lips is glossy. That's what I'd like to see. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look. Like I said, this eye look is real simple, easy. Like, it's so easy to follow along with. It was easy to create. But you know, the little glitter gives a little bit of razzle dazzle. I had to cough, okay. But anyways, you guys, I do have a couple more videos. Well, actually, I have a lot of videos that I have planned. I just need to get them done. I do want to film using the new Beauty Bay New Romantic palette. I ordered it, still waiting for it to get here. Once it's here, I'm going to film with it, have that video up for you guys. I really want it to get here before Valentine's Day, just so if you guys, you know, needed some inspiration, some looks, I could use that. But I mean, you could do this. I mean, you could do this for Valentine's Day. It's gonna be a bit much. Your girl will be at work. I have no Valentine's this year, and to be quite honest, I'm kind of relieved. I'm happy. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any Valentine's Day plans. I don't. I'm gonna be at work, you know. Ooh, let me take off this watch because this could be a cute little thumbnail. Hold on. Okay, but yeah, until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.